𝘾𝙃𝙀𝙈 come from?
Well, really, it is two separate kind of ideas formed together.
Okay.
It kind of comes from two different places. Right when I started my business, there were actually lilies growing outside of my home, and at that time, the pink and the orange and those bright colors were very popular with invitations and weddings and that kind of thing, and I just love those colors. But the name tiger lily, actually, I love the two words together because the tiger is a bold, strong word, and the lily is kind of a feminine, soft word. And I like both types of design. I like bold design, and I also like very feminine, soft design too. So
combine the two.
words together,
I love that. Now, tell me a little bit about some of your favorite creative party invitations.
Well, let's see here. We've got a few here that I brought with me, and I love this one because it's very simple, but it's a little different spin on the traditional bridal shower.
Right.
I mean, we've all seen your typical bridal shower invitations. I love this one because it says "come to the table." And I can just imagine from just looking at the invitation, I'm thinking, you know, farmhouse table, harvest table, you know, they've got artisan breads and cheeses, and just your friends come and they sit around the table.
Yes.
They exchange recipes, they give advice. It just, to me, it's just a warm thought and feel.
I love that.
I love this one because when we design invitations for kids, I like for the kids to actually like them.
Yes.
I like for them to be fun for the kids too, because again, going back, I want kids to open up the invitation and be excited to come to the party. So this one was fun. I actually designed this one for my nephew.
Adorable.
So, and then also having a party, they actually had the party at the museum, but I've also had customers who had parties at the fire department. So
oh wow.
That would be exciting.
Yes.
That would be exciting too.
Now, from looking at this suite, it looks like you obviously don't just do invitations. You kind of can also do all of the paper for the event that really brings the theme together.
Right. We can do basically any paper product that customers need. We do banners, we do little bags, we do tags, signs, small and large. We do guest addressing, return address printing, anything papery you can think of.
So fun.
Well, this one's pretty glamorous, I guess. And we showed some kids, so we'll show an adult one now. I love it when people combine like events, I guess, with their personal events.
That's so beautiful.
And this is a New Year's Eve and an engagement party.
Okay.
So people are already going on New Year's Eve.
Yes.
I mean, why not just, you know, make it amazing?
Party out of it.
Yes.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today. I definitely see a lot of love and passion in what you do and translating it for your clients into paper.
Well, thank you. Thanks for having me.